In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a forever free business email with Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail provides a reliable and cost-effective solution for your business email needs, and the best part is, it's free. Let's walk through the IT process step by step. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Mail website. This is where you'll start the setup process for your business email. Once you're there, you'll want to focus on setting up a business email account. So make sure you look for the option that's specifically for business use. You'll typically see a checkbox or a button to click on that's labeled Business Email. Checking this box will ensure that you are setting up an email that can be linked to your business domain, which is vital for maintaining a professional look in all your communications. Next, you'll begin filling in your personal details. The first piece of information you need to enter is your name. Make sure to use the name that you want to appear on your emails. This could be your full name or your professional title, depending on your preference and business style. After entering your name, you'll need to type in your email address or a phone number. This step is crucial as it serves as a point of contact and a recovery method for your account. Choose the option that is most convenient and secure for you. Following this, it's time to set up a password. Make sure to create a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. A good password often includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This enhances security and protects your business data from unauthorized access. Now, you'll see a checkbox for agreeing to Zoho Mail's terms of service. It's always a good idea to review these terms so you understand the agreement you are entering. Once you've read through them, go ahead and click the checkbox to accept. With all that filled out, the next step is to click the Sign Up button to create your account. Once you do this, you might see a prompt asking you to verify your account through an OTP or one-time password. This will be sent to the email address or phone number you provided, so keep an eye out for it. Enter the OTP when prompted to complete the verification process. Congratulations! If you've followed these steps, you should now have a functioning, forever free business email set up through Zoho Mail. This setup provides a professional look and feel for all your business correspondence without any financial burden, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, running your business efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance with Zoho Mail or any other business tools.